Let's go.
One lap to go. Kirkwood leads the way.
So thanks for bringing your car over to Sam's Club.
Of course. Tire pressure is extremely important. 1 PSI can make a huge difference.
So how's it looking? Tires good?
Yeah, Sam's Club keeps them rolling. Lifetime rotation and flat repair, all done by tire experts. I'll take it.
How old were you when you got into racing?
I started at the young age of 4 years old. I absolutely loved it, and I'm still able to do what I dreamed of.
And when it comes to like a flat tire, how quickly can you change a flat?
Can I change a flat? Ooh. That's gonna take a long time. That's why I rely on Sam's Club to change it for me.
Are you shopping right now?
Yeah, I am. Need 12 cafe pizzas. My crew doesn't run on empty.
Ooh, what kind of toppings?
Cheese, pepperoni, and 4 meat. Let's go. Snacks, tires, curbside pickup, done.
So is this the first time you strapped 12 pizzas to your car before?
This is my first.
All these pizzas, why not delivery?
I like to drive. Plus, I'm already getting the car looked at. Might as well grab dinner too. Sam's Club makes it easy to do everything in 1 lap.
Do you have any superstitions?
I do have superstitions. I always get in from the left side of the car. That actually stems from when I was in go-karts, force of habit.
So Kyle, what do you like about fueling up here at Sam's Club?
Well, you can fill your tank without draining a wallet. To me, that's a win.
All right, before you leave, street course or oval?
Street course.
Slicks or wets?
Slicks.
Got any nicknames?
It used to be Woody. My last name's Kirkwood, but that is not stuck in IndyCar, to be honest.
All right, last question. Helmet photo on your membership card?
Funny you should ask.
How did you pull that off?
Gotta stay on brand.